Looking to unleash dire wolf heavy Scout Titans onto the battlefield? Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the dire wolf heavy Scout Titans for the Titan Legions of Warhammer the Horus Heresy, Legion Imperialis, the game of epic scale combat. Holy moly. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. Big thank you to my patrons for their support and continued support, as well as you brand new ones. And of course, big thank yous to everybody here on the YouTubes clicking that membership button. Big thank you. Direwolf Heavy Scout Titans. My gosh, these models look fantastic. They look like they are, well, I don't know if these are like exactly like the Warhounds of the other set, or are these completely new plastics? I don't know. We're looking at two epic scale models with all sorts of heavy weaponry on these guys. Pretty darn cool. What do we get in the box? We get two Direwolf Titans, conversion beam dissipator, volcano cannon, and neutron laser for neutroning your lasers. It also comes with a decal sheet for the Titans. And yeah, it also gives you some hints as, you know, color schemes and painting up your miniatures, what colors to use. I think that's really fantastic. Yeah, I think this is really darn cool. Adeptus Titanicus, Legion Imperialis, and we had looked at the Warhound Titans. If you've watched that one before this one, I suspect we are going to get those little handy-dandy cards for Adeptus Titanicus, and yeah, I think that's pretty darn cool. Now, I'm not sure, as I'm not up on Adeptus Titanicus, but are these models available in Titanicus? I suspect so, but I don't know. Also, do they have the same bases? Because I thought these bases were for Epic. I don't know. Either way, enough speculating. Let's just dive into this box. I am going to, oh, wrong way. I am going to cut my way into the box. And, oh, you know what? Yeah, it's all nice and cellophaned up. Yeah, we're going to come in for a little bit of ASMR. Okay, ready? Here we go. Ooh, not bad, not bad. Could be better. Let's go with this one. Will this one take the whole face right off? It's like Hannibal Lecter here. No, not even. Not even close. In fact, I think that pulled less. Yeah, it didn't go as far. The other one went further. Anyway, it's like a race. We're taking bets on this stuff now. All right, so let's have a look inside the box. Open it up. Yeah, it's got the beautiful little tabs. I like when they do that. I like when they do that for the box. Holy moly, this box is heavy. There's quite a bit of stuff in here. Oh yeah, jeez. Okay, so we get the Titanicus, what is it, the Maniple cards. Oh, there's the transfer sheet. It is the Adeptus Titanicus. No, it is Legion Imperialis, Dire Wolf Titan transfer sheet. But it has, this looks just like the Titanicus one. Interesting. Interesting. Booklet comes with, let's see. Come in, open it up. I like that they include this Adeptus Titanicus stuff. Because, well, I mean, for everybody out there who is, you know, getting into Titanicus, that it makes it a little bit easier for everybody to, you know, stay on the same page, and you're not having to hunt down rule books and what have you for this stuff. It all comes right within the package. So we also have the Direwolf card. Shouldn't it be 3? Yeah, it's probably 3, right? Because this thing's got 3 guns on it. Here's the cards for all the thingies. What is it? Neutron laser, apex defensor, volcano cannon, conversion beam dissipator. Yeah. It's pretty darn cool. And then, of course, we also get a look at the instruction guide. And the instruction guide's got some substantial thickness to it. This looks like... Oh, no, it's different. Because the hounds have different feet. The feet don't look like that on the other Warhounds. So these guys, I'm willing to suspect they are a different set of plastic. Yeah, because they got a different carapace on their back. Yeah. Ooh, look at the big guns. Conversion beam dissipator, volcano cannon, neutron laser. I like when they label the guns right in the instruction guide so that people know exactly right away, especially for people who are brand new to this, that, you know,
this is the guns that you want to equip, and then you get it, right? And there's no confusion as to what weapons go where and what have yous. Very, very cool. So that's the instruction guide. Comes with 2 Legion Imperialis bases. Very, very nice. And then we get, holy moly, 4 frames of stuff. Now, is each Titan on a frame? Are they identical? Looks pretty identical to me. I'm willing to suspect each Titan is on 1 frame. And this means that the weapon frames are identical. Yeah. So we are going to have a quick look at these. And, I suppose we could have a little sniff around. What do direwolves smell like? Corn chips? All right, let's get into it. All right, having a look at the first frame. Now, we're only looking at 1 of each frame because it is 4 frames, but duplicates of each. So there's really only 2 frames that are brand new. And yeah, again, like I don't know if, I guess I could look at the dates, right? 2023, that does not tell me much. Because Adeptus Titanicus has been around for a bit, so maybe these models are brand new. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe these came out recently. I don't know. But either way, yeah. I like Titanicus, and I like Legion Imperialis. I'm very, very excited when they introduce Xenos into this game. Into this scale of game, not the game itself. I mean, Legion Imperialis could go to regular little epic game. Yeah, so each frame is basically 1 direwolf, and these models are not identical to the Warhounds, for anybody wondering. I mean, just because, obviously they're Warhound Titans, but no, there's different assembly instructions and they're built differently. I thought maybe it was just like a bolt-on or something like that for, Warhounds to just slap the gun on the back, but no, it's completely different. Next frame. Looking at the gun, this gun here, this conversion beamer, I think it is. Yeah, it's pretty big. It's almost as long as my finger. It's pretty darn big. Fit on a little doggy running around. Ooh, a little discombobulator coil or something. I don't know. Are you Star Wars? Yeah, that's very, very cool. All the little discombobulator guns. Yeah. Very, very cool. Lots of great details. Like these little piston things that kind of lock the gun in place. Or are they supposed to be like little pistons that are supposed to help with the elevation or something? I would assume that's what it was. It's for elevating. But very, very cool. Focus. Focus. God darn it. Focus. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, very, very excited. Oh, you know what? We got to come in for a sniff test. Yeah, direwolves. I mean, what are you going to do, right? What are you going to do? They're direwolves. There's not much you can do. Except maybe get blasted. All right, let's get back to the rest of the video. And that's our look at the direwolf heavy scout titans for the Titan legions in Warhammer the Horus Heresy Legion Imperialis. Yes, it is a mouthful to say all of that. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. Big thank you to my patrons for their support and continued support. Huge thank yous to you all. Also, big thank yous to the members here on YouTube clicking that membership button. Big thank you to you all. Without your support, this channel would not be able to continue to do what it is that I do. And so a huge thank you to you all. If you are not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, all help the channel as well. And all it takes is a couple clicks of a button and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes the time to do that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review. Maybe a live stream. Maybe a painting tutorial. Doing the quick tips again. Quick tips. Yeah, doing lots of quick tips these days. Ooh. Also, battle reports. I know, I gotta get some battle reports in. I know. You know, I know, we all know. Okay, bye.